Hi, Alex here with Autonomous Trading. Today I'm going to tell you how you are going to make $1 million or more in the markets. This pretty much is going to depend on the size of your capital, and therefore you can eventually make less, but the reason you are going to do it is because we are going to make it happen for you, regardless of whether you are going to decide to participate or not. Therefore, your decision here is just one. You are in or you are out. If you don't know who I am, you can search on the web. You can visit our website. You can study my public track record in the markets for the past 3 decades.
Hi, Alex here with Autonomous Trading. Tesla soaring after hours to 241, which does not constitute a surprise to anyone, since once we upgraded Tesla to a strong buy at a price of 179, publishing it in real time on the blog of the company, unlike everyone else. At that time I referred to Tesla to be worth more than $240. Therefore, these results that you are seeing today, they were already known several weeks ago. Having said this, our upgrade to strong buy, it was coincident with Wall Street downgrading Tesla to single digits. We refer to it as obviously a scam, and we warned the public worldwide regards to this matter, as well as we warned everyone when these same analysts, they were upgrading Tesla to strong buy and raising targets. We warned that Tesla share price was going to crash, and we wrote articles, several, on the blog of the company downgrading Tesla to junk at a price of $380, which justified precisely the crash all the way down to 179. Therefore, we have been discussing how to invest in Tesla since IPO. We started with a strong buy rating within the range 36, 42, when these crocs in Wall Street, all of them, they had at that time sell ratings throughout the years, the case of Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and so on. And we demonstrated always remarkable, unbelievable, uncanny accuracy, explaining to Tesla investors what to expect, and we never missed one single call in Tesla. So when everyone was upgrading Tesla and raising targets to $1,000, $4,000, we said we have no doubts whatsoever, Tesla is going to crash. I was here recording live on the day that the share price was trading at 377, urging investors to sell everything and to acquire the largest short position since IPO. When all these crocs, they started downgrading Tesla to single digits, we did precisely the opposite, closing short positions, upgrading Tesla, because when you, and there were many reasons, I can refer to 1,000 reasons to buy Tesla at the price of 179, as I explained it. One of them is when you compare the valuation of Tesla to many other companies in the stock market, Tesla, it was severely undervalued at that price. Moreover, we already knew, as I already proved thousands of times, that the numbers, they were going to be excellent. And therefore, our very good relationship with Elon Musk, that I also have been explaining, many people, they do not comprehend Tesla CEO, but we have been explaining all this stuff since the very beginning, which is rather important. Therefore, in the end, congratulations to all those that they continue following our free guidance on how to invest in Tesla. And what I've been saying here thousands of times, what others they say, it is completely irrelevant. It does not matter, since they don't have any weight whatsoever with regards to what the stock is going to do, including the CEO of the company. So we always proved this thousands of times, and therefore I leave you here with Tesla at $241, which represents multi-million dollars profits, obviously for all subscribers here. Thank you. Bye.